In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, staying ahead isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Welcome to TechyBuddyBytes, where we turn complex tech into compelling content. Dive into the cutting edge of cloud infrastructure, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Unravel the mysteries of databases and master the art of programming languages. Our channel is your go-to resource for all things tech. From in-depth tutorials to quick tips, we've got you covered. But we're more than just videos. We're a community of tech enthusiasts, learners, and professionals. Expand your knowledge with our insightful blogs and test your skills with our challenging quizzes. Whether you're taking your first steps in coding or architecting complex cloud solutions, there's something here for everyone. Join us on a journey of continuous learning and growth. Stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Subscribe now and become part of a vibrant community that's shaping the future of technology. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of it. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of tech together.